Well, a mayday to you guys. Good to see you out there. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, I'd love to have you. Today, guys, Leesville again, Leesville Lake. We're gonna throw some inline spinner, and not on a bait cast. We're gonna throw it on a spinning reel. And we're gonna throw some little minnows on a jig head like I did last time. Do a little pop, jerk with those. And I don't know what else we're gonna throw. But I do know the water temperature right now is 65, which you can see right above my fingertip. 65. And that's staying pretty normal for about the last week, not dropping. So right now it's about 12:15. Looks like the thermometer's saying 82 degrees, but I think that's wrong. I'd go on to say that right now it's 70 right now. It's overcast, sun peeking through a little bit, but man, is it nice. So let's catch some fish right now, and you're gonna ride with me. Shotgun right there, buddy. You're right there. So let's do this. Nice one. He's a nice guy. Wow. He ain't finishing last, guys. Take these glasses off. Nice bass. Hold on, buddy. Gotta open your mouth for this one. Caught him on a minnow. Let's weigh him. Welcome to the boat. Welcome to the boat, bass. Hold on, buddy. Hang on. Okay. You're slippery. Slippery and slimy are you? Just want to get a weight on you and you're back in. £2. Well, about a pound and a half. Oh well. Buddy, I'm gonna let you go on this side of the boat. And there he goes. Oh, that was a nice bass. Oh man, I didn't even hold him up or anything to get a picture. I want to catch another one. Anyway, let's get another one. Oh shit, I got a musky, guys. Oh no, what the hell do I do? Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, no. Oh. Should I try to net him or let him break off? My God, he looks like a prehistoric fish. Oh no. Well, I'd say he's on there pretty good. He's pretty damn big. He's taking me for a ride, guys. I don't know what the hell to do. This is unbelievable. Oh, good, he let it go. Oh, well. I'm glad he got off. I didn't know what the hell to do with that thing. That was a big fish. Would have been nice to be a big bass or a saw guy. Oh, look at this little net. You think that was going to get that fish? I don't think. Ugh. Did I get my bait back? Hell, I even got my bait back. Look at the bait. Unreal. Just got to fix my jig and I'm back in business. That was not good. I did not want that, man. Trilene knot. That's what I had, not a uniknot. Tied a trilene knot on there. He didn't even tear this thing up at all. Let's get another one. Well, I probably could have gotten that muskie in the boat if I would have been willing to be brave enough to grab a hold of him and fight him, but man, I didn't want any, I wanted zero part of that. Well, now we're even. I hear of all these musky fishermen that complain, I caught a few bass, didn't catch any musky. Well, now I can say, I caught a bass, but I also caught a musky. Never caught a musky before, and hope I don't again. So, yeah, that would have been, you know, who knows? I don't know. I'm in awe. I guess I got to see the film. I guess I'll watch the film with you guys, okay? They say muskie's the fish of 10,000 casts. Well, I'd say that's about right. I think I was probably my 10,000th cast this year. Or more, who knows? So I caught this bass and the muskie up here in Denny's Cove, where they're stacked like pancakes. Anyway, caught this bass right here at the same place I caught the other two. Well, I caught one and missed that one you saw. But right down the way, I heard a big splash. So I went to investigate it. So I get down there and I threw a couple times around where I heard and saw the splash. Nothing. So I threw back up towards where I just came from and I started speed reeling. And all of a sudden I'm like, that's a snag. And I'm like, well, there's nothing really right there that can snag me. So I get back into the boat, throw back up there again, come back. And all of a sudden I'm like, that's that snag again. And then I felt, oh man, this is a lot closer to the boat. There's no way there's a snag here. And that's when I saw him come up. It looked like a shark. Big brown shark. Well, in this lake, it would be about the size of a shark. You know what I said? Oh, Mayday! We had a Mayday on our hands there, guys. Didn't want any part of that thing. Those are the things that'll take half your arm off and then feed it to something else. Oh my God. Guys, these minnows that I'm using, they're made by a company called Meredith. Take a look here. They're like the most realistic, best minnows that I've ever seen as far as action and everything. Perfect size. I mean, the action on them and the look of them paired with this jig, this small-eyed jig hook, it's just nice bait. It really works well too. I just had to change it out because another one, something else hit it, ripped it apart. So I don't know if it was another muskie, but I'm pretty sure it was. Gonna head out of Denny's Cove and head on over to Yellow Wall. So you come on with me. Boy, the cloud's kind of broken up. Turned out to be pretty nice. It got cold there for a minute. I had to put on a jacket. But I will tell you one thing, Yellow Wall, there were a lot of fish in here the other day. There's nothing in here today. Gonna have to go down to Swimmer's Cove and up the other side of the up the other side of the lake. Well, stick around. Well, guys, she's getting dark and it's 6:15 p.m. Eastern time. So, gotta do another cast or two and start heading back. Seeing big schools under something. I don't think they're bass though. I think they're crappie. On the old sonar. Whoa! That was a mayday right there, baby. You know, holy cow, I almost freaking took a swim. Oh man, not good. I think that's telling me it's time. I suffer from freaking vertigo to begin with, and I haven't taken my stinking medicine for a while. Need to probably take some. Last cast. Be a good one. It's nice. We had 20% chance of rain today, but it didn't rain. The sun came out. Man, it was nice. Warm. Well, oh, and I did get the world's biggest bird's nest on my favorite rod and reel, my Cast King Speed Demon, and I don't think I'm gonna get that thing out, man. It is bad, bad. I thought that one I got out on camera last time was bad. This one's horrible, man. I mean, absolutely freaking horrible. Yeah, this one's gonna have to get cut out. Ugh. Oh well. Thanks for being with me. I will wrap it up here and see you guys back at either the dock or the house or on the way back. Well guys, back at the house. What an exciting day. I mean, stuff happening I had no idea was going to happen. And that was a mayday. Sorry I screamed like a little girl, but had no idea what to do. First time I'd ever caught muskie. And man, I hope that's the last time too, unless I'm going to somehow, some way turn into a muskie fisherman. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. You know I love you, and you know I'd love to have you subscribe. Trying to get that subscription level up to about, 1,000. That'd be a good start. Anyway, nothing else for you guys. Thanks for watching, and Mayday has got all this stuff to restring. I've got a bunch of pulls and rods and to restring from bird's nests. Thanks a lot. But anyway, I am Mayday, and I am out of here.